Well, here we are at the Los Santos Euro Speedway, and we are underway. 285 horsepower, unmolested, Ford Sierra Sapphire Cosworth. Coming up to the first turn. Wait a minute, that's not gone quite as well as I hoped there. Oh dear, no. Now to turn 3. British car this in every way. 40 more brake horsepower than the BMW M3 E36 and 140 more than the Mercedes Cosworth, which of course isn't really a Cosworth. You know what I mean. Well, there we are. More reliable than a BMW or a Mercedes, faster, a lot more space in the back as well. It really is a perfect car in so many ways. Oh no, wait, no. Oh Lord, no. Oh dearie me. Oh no, I've got it, right, that's it, lovely. There's a big wall here, I mustn't hit that. This really is a very fast car, the Ford Sierra Cosworth. There we are. You can feel the tail kicking out there as the limited slip diff bites beautifully. I'm doing 195 miles an hour, 200, 16 valve engine of course. Overtook several M3s which aren't as fast as this in any way. Anti-lock brakes kicking in nicely. Drove over here today at 180 miles an hour down the autobahn. Lovely, lovely. As you can see, I've kissed the apex nicely there. Off we go now. British car this in every way. Here the 4-cylinder engine revving nicely there. Well, there we are. More reliable than a BMW or a Mercedes, faster, a lot more space in the back as well. It really is a perfect car in so many ways. And there we are, braking into the chicane. Right, that's it, lovely. Oh, now I've got it, there we are. And coming up now to the end of the lap. Now, oh dearie me. Oh, come over me today. It's not working as well as I'd hoped in any way. I'm doing 195 miles an hour. Here the 4-cylinder engine revving nicely there. There we are. I'm doing 195 miles an hour and across the line.